Hey, stop. So guys, here is another set of our soup. This is our oha. This is our vegetable. So we just added our okra. I'm a fan of ogbono soup, not okra. Yeah, so this better. So this is what I call a food prepping, okay? Here is ogo for our egusi soup, and this is bitter leaf soup. It has been cooked and shrinked. This is utazi for our white soup, that is nsala soup. This is beef. This is dry fish. This is another dry fish. This is ede. That's cocoyam. It's been pounded. This is pounded yam. This is another ede. This is onions. That's blended pepper. That is fried egusi. This is oporoko and pomo. That's yellow pepper, salt, no cubes, and our meats. You see that fat? I'll still remove it. So that's another meat. So I'll be adding egusi to this one, and I'll be adding cocoyam here. And ayo mba. So I have added cocoyam, I've poured oil, I've added onions and egusi, fried egusi. So I'll be leaving this to boil. Yeah. So here is our egusi soup. Okay. Are you a fan of more ogo to your egusi, or you are a fan of just random ogo to your egusi? Which one are you? Do let me know in the comment section. So our egusi is done right now. I'll be moving over to the bitter leaf soup, which is boiling here. So let's do this. So I usually add my chunky dry fish when the fish is about to be done, so that if the person is eating it, you'll be eating it chunky. That is it. So after, you can turn. I like thick soup, very thick soup, but this one, the more you pour water in egusi, the more it's thick. So I don't know, I'll have to leave it this way. So guys, here is our onugbu soup. I'm still waiting for the ede to pieces very well, but it's done already. So I'll be adding in our ingredients like crayfish, pepper, ogiri, and other things that I need to add inside. So that is it. Oh, sorry guys, I have wooden spoon. Oh, before you people come for me. Oh, see my wooden spoon. I later bought wooden spoon. I got serere like this. So this ogiri for so long now. What I usually do is that my my co-wife will pack ogiri like this in a rubber and send to me. I will put in the freezer. Whenever I need it, I will just be collecting from here. So right now I'll be adding this into the soup. So you can see the crayfish that I've added salt, and that is it. Oh, I think ofe onugbu is even the easiest soup once your ede is done. Ofe adigo ready one. So you stir. No be smart, you know. This wooden spoon is the best, to just be turning everything for you. But me, I miss that knack, you know. You knack it like this. Ah, my mom will be cooking like this. Ah, I learned from her. I beg. So guys, I have added bitter leaf, and I will be stirring this right now. If you need to add more bitter leaf, you can add, but for me, anyway, I will still add a little. So this is it. So our onugbu soup is ready, okay? Ready to be dished out. So this is actually for a customer, but I will have to call to know when I'm going to send it out. So let's go to another soup. Yes, this is our own onugbu soup, our own bitter leaf soup. Yes, and I'll be adding in this ede. This is the first one, this is the second one. I'll be adding in this right now, and let's do this. Yes, I've added a bitter leaf, and I will stir this. Remember that you can as well check for taste, add more water if you need to. So, done and dusted finally. Our onugbo soup is done and dusted. Look at it. Fresh and lush. Fresh and lush. So, we are moving to the next soup. So guys, these are soups, okay? So this is egusi soup. This is onugbo soup. This is another onugbo soup. And our nsala soup is cooking on the fire, but that one is another video. So guys, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe. So we have, so guys, here is our soup. We have dished it out. Okay, here is our egusi. Egusi has 3 rubbers, and here is our bitter leaf soup. Here is our nsala. We are still going to divide this into another rubber. So here is our nsala. So that is it for our soup episode for today. So guys, this is another of our soup that I made, okay? But I'll be posting a separate video on how to make nsala soup. Yeah, so here is it. But I haven't done video. You started eating. Tell me sweet. By force. Auto. What's out here? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning we've already prepped up to make different soup, okra, oha, then ofe akwu for Sunday, and then vegetable soup. And these are all the things that we've prepped. This is cocoyam, this is okra, this is dry fish, this is pepper, this is meat and okporoko, that's dry fish, that's momo and towel meat. This is ofe akwu spice. Then this is blended tatashi and pepper. This is oha, this is uziza, onions, yellow pepper, water leaf, maggi, and the rest. Then these are the meats that we are going to use. And on fire already we have this is for vegetable soup, and this is for ogbono soup. We're already making it, so let's get started. Okay. In a group one is okay. Supposed to be 2020. So right now we are adding our meat. Tipo goat meat. So we just added our okra. I'm a fan of ogbono soup, not okra, like the one that they use only okra to make. No, I add ogbono and okra. This is always the result. Don't worry, because I'm making 2 soup. See the wooden spoon, no, so you people will not call me out. I have wooden spoon, no. I would have bought 2, but let me buy 1 first. Let's be using this one like that. So that is it, oh. While our vegetable is still doing here. So guys, here's our ogbono. We're removing the soup because we want to use the big pot for vegetable, because I can turn it inside here. So we are removing it, and we are moving over to oha soup. Don't worry that the water is looking like this. We pour the pepper water inside. So okpaya. So let's add our cocoyam inside the oha soup. So I'll be borrowing this wooden spoon. So here is our vegetable soup. All done. And then this is our oha soup. So we are moving over to Ofaku now for the Sunday meal. Yeah, soup is done. Oh, hey, stop. So guys, here is another set of our soup. This is our oha, this is our vegetable, and this is our ogbono. Don't worry about the chunky fish you are seeing. I forgot to put fish, so I remembered I now pour it on top like that. So here is it.